Okay guys, this is a 2025 Ford Bronco Sport, Big Bend edition with the Black Diamond off-road package. That's a $2,500 upgrade. It is a rebuilt title, front end damage. You can see there was no frame damage. There's no airbags deployed. No suspension, just basically these front end body parts. Radiator support, radiator condenser. Start it up here for you. 25s have these bigger screens, which is nice. It has 2 keys. This is, I think, with the upgraded Black Diamond package. Wireless phone charging. 81, 94 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, backup camera. So all your driver assist packages. So the Black Diamond does come up with the auxiliary switches, so you can add extra stuff if you want. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. It's got floor mats. See these seats. Your VIN number. Power options. It's got good tires on it. Looks like he's got these tow hooks on the back and a tow package here. It's obviously all-wheel drive. Dash looks good. Some other power. This thing does get 29 miles per gallon on the freeway. Great for gas mileage, all-wheel drive. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.